Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Nissan Altima 2.5. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 178,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.